God invites us to engage in our work imaginatively, weaving together meaning in our work. We welcome you to participate in our leadership workshop entitled Imagination at Work, where we will contextualize imaginative capacity in administrative and leadership work, exploring some of the shapes it can take and the rich texture regular tasks take on with this turn toward imagination. Here's the thing. Whatever our jobs are, we're constantly solving problems, coordinating with colleagues, and trying to move the feel of the place a certain way. When we tap into our imaginative capacity to do that, what we end up with is a vibrant experience of our work because we are engaging this wonderful aspect of what it means to be human and made in the image of God. The teaching sessions will cover a variety of capacities, mindsets, and skill set that are necessary to bring your imagination to work. You'll receive reflective essay topics coupled with content outlines so that you can capture everything. A suggested reading list will be provided as well so you can continue this exploration. During our live session, we're going to walk through how to use design thinking for problem solving, plan for meetings that create space for imaginative conversation, and name culture change tools to adapt to a variety of contexts. Administration, coupled with a deeply formed imaginative capacity, can be life-giving for leaders as well as for their institutions and ministries. As we look at this framework for imaginative capacity and reflect theologically on it, your problem-solving, meetings, and culture have an amazing potential to lead to an experience you may not even imagine. Check out gcts.edu Akingay workshops for more info and to register.